Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this awesome origami model designed by Jeremy Shafer. And the tutorial is right here. Okay, so what is this? It is a really powerful origami grabber. And it's really cool too. This is how it works. You pull the sides, and it grabs. And this is like teeth. And it can grab some pretty good stuff. You can grab a thing of tape like this. Whoa, look at that. And I folded this from an ordinary 6-inch square of kami. And it's that powerful. Can you believe it? Yeah, so it can pick up tape. And I'm gonna see if we can pick up this thing. This is like an iPhone. I don't really know what exactly this thing is, but I guess it's like something for your phone or something. I got this from GameStop a long time ago. Yes, it definitely picks that up, because this is rubber. And let's see, oh, what else? Yeah, let me see if we can pick up my lip balm. Yes, it can. And this origami inflatable rabbit that I'll be teaching really soon. Probably this week. I'm trying to have it grip on the right place. This is kind of a weird shape for this model. Let's see. I don't think it'll pick up this because this isn't really the right shape, but it does pick up this Easter egg flicker that I'll be teaching really soon also. Oh yeah, there it is. And let's see what else. I guess that's pretty much it. So yeah, this thing can pick up just pretty much almost about anything. So yeah, there it is. Or it can be like pliers too. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and make sure you subscribe. And again, if you want to learn how to fold this model, here's his tutorial right here. Alright, ciao!